I'm gonna try and tell you guys what's the best way of cleaning your electric dirt bikes. I use this method all the time, and there are certain products that I use. But before we get to cleaning, because this is electric and you don't want to mix water with electricity, although everything on both the Teleria and the Saron is waterproof, but I always take an extra measure to cover at least the connectors. So the batteries, of course, are out on all three bikes, as you can see. Now we're gonna waterproof the connectors before we get started. So to do this, what you're gonna need is a Ziploc bag and some masking tape or electric tape, and this is what we're gonna do. So as I mentioned, although all of this is waterproof, but you see this, the connector? Right, so what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna use one of these bags, the connector inside, right? Get it nice and tug and closed. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this up. And then around it, put some masking tape, and that way it's gonna stay waterproof. If I can find the tape. There it is. There we go. So that is now waterproof. Connectors on the Saron are different. As you can see, there are two of them. So this time Seja is the one who's gonna put these in. We'll make sure that these are covered as well. Alright, so to wash the bikes, I have these four helpers actually with Seja. But yeah, to wash the bikes, what I usually use are these. The Silverback Extreme Shine, the Extreme Clean, and then of course the Silverback Maintenance Spray. And those are three of the best products that you can find, at least in Oman, to get your bikes clean. So first things first, we're gonna start by spraying the bikes. You ready? Yes. Let's go.
I've been feeling like the PE logo in the crosshair scope because of my promos. But really it's because of my dope shows. Even haters admitted Nitro got dope flows. You know what I heard through the grapevine is down.
After we're done spraying the bikes, comes the turn for this Silverback Extreme Clean. We're gonna spray the entire bike with this, rub it down, and then give it a wash again.
Style Mac Daddy it up. I got a little older, a tidbit wiser. My stylists keep me fresh with the vest or the visor. I don't make a move till I talk to my advisor. D Brown, hold me down, gotta get this money, man. Why you at it? Fix that ticket, 30 and a 20, man. Shit, I'm always coming on some money, man. I heard that I'm this, yeah, and I'm that. Get my name out your trap. I heard that I'm this, yeah, and I'm that. Keep my name out your trap, homeboy. Now when I say keep it moving, man, it's more than a statement. It means I don't like being too complacent. By everyone, but trust me.